Are your contract service providers putting your SQF compliance at risk? Let's explore how you can ensure your contract service providers are aligned with your food safety standards. My name is Felicia Liu, and I'm a registered SQF consultant helping businesses with their SQF program compliance. Today, we're focusing on SQF for contract service providers, a crucial component you can't afford to overlook. So, what exactly are SQF requirements for contract service providers? Essentially, these requirements ensure that any external services you engage, such as cleaning, pest control, or transportation, meet the same rigorous food safety standards you uphold internally. This alignment is vital for maintaining the integrity of your food safety management system and achieving SQF certification. When do these requirements come into play? Whenever you partner with an external service that interacts with your product or production environment, these requirements apply. It's your responsibility to ensure these contracted services comply with SQF standards to protect your products from contamination and uphold consumer trust. What should you look for when selecting a contract service provider? Start by evaluating their commitment to food safety. Check their credentials, training programs, and any existing certifications they might have. Ensure they have a track record of maintaining high standards and are ready to align with your SQF requirements. Navigating this process can be complex, but you don't have to do it alone. Engaging a registered SQF consultant like myself can make this process more efficient and stress-free. With our expertise, you can develop a strategy to verify your contract service providers are SQF compliant, preventing costly mistakes that could jeopardize your certification. Want to ensure your service providers support your food safety goals? Book a strategy call with us at 1-236-513-2488. We're here to help you create a robust, compliant supply chain that meets the demands of today's food industry. Have questions or need more details? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's ensure every link in your supply chain supports your SQF certification journey.